Okay, so hi dear Libra, very very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal monthly reading for all the Libra Sun Moon Venus rising for the month of January 2026. And this is not a love reading or career or anything specific, but whatever messages will come, I will just let you guys know. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below for the same. And if you want to join me live for manifestation workshop, it's happening from 20 till the 26th of January 2026, and recordings will be provided if you will not be able to join me live. And let's start. Okay, for tarot reading course, self love course, and Ho'oponopono courses also, links are given below in the description box. So let's start. Libra, overall energy for Libra people for this month. Let's see what we have. We have Page of Swords, Fool card, Page of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is Eight of Swords. Hmm. So you're quite curious about learning few things in your life. You are quite curious about the next chapter of your life. You feel like taking the leap of faith with the universe. You feel like doing some kind of risky things in your life. But at the same time, you're trying to take the initial steps with a caution, with a cautionary, what we call that, with caution, with the stability, with maturity, with groundedness, with maturity. Yes, exact word. So you are being a learner right now. You are trying to take the leap of faith with the universe. You are trying to do something adventurous in your life, starting or restarting something adventurous. For most of you, it's like a visa thing, going to some other country, applying for a new job or something like that. But you are trying your best to put your best foot forward, right? And then bottom of the deck we have Eight of Swords. Just give me one second. And bottom of the deck is the Eight of Swords. There is something that is continuously keeping you trapped, some kind of negative thoughts, some kind of negative emotions that is continuously keeping you like away from moving forward in your life. Okay, it's just simple overthinking or stories or scenarios that you are creating in your head that are never going to be true even, but it's something that's keeping you trapped, mentally trapped. Okay, like you're in some kind of mental jail or something. Okay, let's see what was happening in the recent past for you guys. Tower. Okay, something got dismantled, some kind of shock, some kind of surprise, some kind of news was there, something collapsed that was not actually good for you. Maybe it was a happy surprise, maybe it was not so happy. I will check. Let's see the current energies right now. What we have, Libra. Queen of Swords. You're trying your best to be practical, logical, and like connected to your head instead of your heart. Okay, by the mid of January, let's see what we have. The Empress. Okay, so we have this energy of keeping going and heading towards your growth and expansion and happiness. Let's clarify the Tower in the recent past for you guys. We have the Hierophant, the Five of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands. Okay, you had some kind of awakening, a rude awakening. That was actually a spiritual one, but like as a human, you might not have been able to understand what just happened. So it's like the universe gave you the opportunity or chance to live your life to the fullest and get out of this victim mode, get out of this feeling left out in the cold kind of feelings or energy. You started following your heart, but you became a little bit restless, actually. It's like, for example, today I slept with like a very heavy heart. In the morning something happened and I felt like I should live my life to the fullest because I got only one or something. And then I started doing something stupid, extremely stupid, that I should not be doing without even thinking about it. And then I'm feeling a little bit regretful, and then I'm realizing, okay, no, it was not uh, something that I should be doing. I should be handling my life with care, with maturity. Something happened, but it was actually a lesson. It was actually meant to be like that only. Let's clarify the Queen of Swords here. We have Five of Cups, Ace of Cups, and Six of Pentacles. You're trying your best to get out of some kind of painful experience or experiences. You're trying to keep your heart open, keep your energies open to have a balanced kind of lifestyle. Either you are too much invested in your professional life or you're too much invested in your personal life. You're not able to seek the balance. So you're trying to seek the balance, first of all, between your heart and your mind, but all the time your mind is winning here. And you're trying to get out of this painful energy of feeling, you know, guilt or regret or pain regarding certain people or situations or things. So basically, the moral of the story in your current energies is you are trying to balance out your mind and your soul, and you are not able to do that, but you are trying your best to do that. You're not giving up. Okay. So you're trying to use your mind to heal your heart. That's the problem. And you're trying to like bring a balance between these two. Mhm. In the physical world, it might seem like you are overly focused on your professional life and or your personal life, and you're trying to seek a balance between these two. But on a spiritual level, you are just trying to figure out a balance between your heart and your mind. Oh, that's cool. Let's clarify the Empress here. Just give me 1 second, honey. Yeah, sure. Let's see. इतना ना मुझसे तू प्यार बढ़ा कि मैं एक बादल आवारा कैसे किसी का सहारा बनूं. We have the Star card, the Nine of Swords, and the Ace of Swords. So you are going to be very, very determined to remain optimistic, positive, open to the idea of healing, open to the idea of a brand new life. And something that's stressing the hell out of you right now in the current energies, it will stop bothering you because you are going to get the clarity, you are going to get the proper answer and understanding of how to proceed further so that you can have that kind of growth and expansion that you're looking forward to have in your life in a particular direction, in a particular situation of your life, whatever it is. It can be job, career, it can be simply your heart and mind connection. So whatever you are struggling with right now, whatever solution you are trying to figure out right now that you're not able to get, you will be able to get it by the mid of January 2026, and that is going to help you to move forward in the direction of growth and expansion and happiness. Okay, good to go. Let's see the guidance here for you guys, Libra, for this month. Four of Cups, Two of Pentacles, and the Emperor card. See, until unless you are going to, make a particular choice in a particular direction, until unless you are going to take the charge of the situation in your hands and understand all the pros and cons and everything regarding your choices and decisions that you are going to make in a particular direction, you will not be able to be at peace. Let's say it's a choice between two job opportunities, two work opportunities, and you're very, very upset because none of these two things might be making you feel very excited or very happy about your life. But you have to make a choice or decision between two things here. So understand all the pros and cons of your decision, understand all the pros and cons of what you should be doing and what you should not be doing. Make a decision, make a choice, and stick to that and go ahead with that. Otherwise you're always going to be you're always going to be in this struggling energy, on and off, in and out energy, stressful energy, and nothing good is ever going to come out of all of this. Right now, whatever best you can do from your side, do that, but make a choice or decision and stick to that one. If you're going to continuously change your mind or decisions or choices, guess what, you are going to attract more and more in your life. That's the thing here. That's the thing here. Okay. Let me see one more guidance for you guys from the angel oracles for this month, Libra. Epiphany, joy through spiritual growth, be a light to others, answers that come through meditations. If you're going to be very much confused and stressed out about making any kind of choice or decision, sit with yourself, take few deep breaths, and connect with your inner self. And you will be able to get the answer from inside, but you have to sit with yourself in silence for at least 10 to 15 minutes every day. When you are going to practice this every day, you will start getting the answers from within yourself with like proper clarity and understanding of what you should be doing and what you should not be doing, right? And you are definitely going to get a lot of happiness through spiritual growth, through spiritual experiences. Whatever experiences you're going to get, it's going to be a light to others in the coming future. So don't take it lightly. If you are on your spiritual path, if you are getting spiritual experiences, these lessons, these experiences are going to be a guiding line for other people in the coming future. Okay. And plus, whatever answers, whatever solutions you are seeking for, they are going to come from within yourself. But you have to sit with yourself, you have to be at peace with yourself, then you will start getting the answers automatically from inside. Okay, my love. So this is what I have for you for this month. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.